The season 19 finale of Heartland didn't simply close a chapter, it quietly shook the foundation of everything fans thought they understood about the future of the series. In one emotional moment, the story paused, leaving viewers with a single question that now hangs over the entire show. As Amy Fleming stood face to face with Nathan's proposal, time seemed to slow. There was no clear answer, no resolution, only a feeling of uncertainty mixed with hope, love, and fear of what might come next. That final scene wasn't just a cliffhanger, it was a turning point. Now, as the story moves towards season 20, that unanswered question continues to echo. Amy isn't just deciding whether to say yes to Nathan, she's deciding what kind of life she wants, where she belongs, and how much she's willing to let go of in order to move forward. For longtime fans, the future of Heartland has never felt more emotional or more uncertain than it does right now. While an official trailer for season 20 has not yet been released, the season 19 finale gives us more than enough clues to start piecing together what might be ahead. Heartland has always followed a fairly steady release schedule, and history gives us a strong sense of when the next chapter could begin. Season 16 premiered on October 2nd. Season 17 arrived on October 1st. Season 18 followed on October 6th. And Season 19 debuted on October 5th. With that pattern in mind, it's very likely that Season 20 will also premiere in early October. If that timeline holds true, fans may not have to wait much longer for the first trailer. Based on previous seasons, a trailer would most likely be released sometime between August and September. That means the first real look at Season 20 could arrive sooner than expected, bringing with it answers, surprises, and possibly even more questions. As anticipation builds, attention naturally turns to the cast. While nothing has been officially confirmed yet, many familiar faces are expected to return, keeping the heart of the series intact. Amber Marshall is almost certain to continue her role as Amy Fleming, whose journey remains the emotional center of the show. Spencer Lord is expected to return as Nathan Price, whose proposal has set the entire storyline in motion. Ruby and Emanuela Spencer are also likely to return as Lindy Borden, a character whose emotional world may play a much larger role in the upcoming season. Michelle Morgan is expected back as Lou Fleming, whose strength, leadership, and emotional complexity continue to shape the family. Sean Johnston should also return as Jack Bartlett, the steady anchor of Heartland Ranch, whose connection to tradition and legacy may be challenged like never before. Jessica Steen is expected to reprise her role as Lisa Stillman, possibly alongside Linda Boyd as her sister Tammy. Other familiar faces such as Dylan Hayco as Dexter, Carrie James as Caleb Odell, and Cindy Busby as Ashley Stanton may also make appearances, adding layers of continuity and nostalgia for longtime viewers. Bay McPherson is expected to continue as Katie Fleming Morris, whose growth reflects the changing dynamics of the family. After being absent during season 19, Chris Potter is widely expected to return as Tim Fleming in season 20, bringing his complex history and strong opinions back into the mix. Michelle Nolden may also return as Tim's wife, Jessica Cook, further expanding the family storyline. At the same time, not every character is guaranteed to return in the same way. Georgie's storyline points toward a new opportunity with a riding stable in Austria, which could result in limited appearances or a temporary absence. Nathan's sister, Gracie Price, is unlikely to return following her fallout with the family, signaling a quiet but meaningful shift in the cast dynamics. But the heart of season 20 won't rest on who returns, it will rest on the choice Amy makes. The season will almost certainly open with the question left unanswered at the end of season 19. Will Amy accept Nathan's proposal? It's a decision layered with years of emotion, loss, healing, and growth. Amy has spent much of her life carrying the weight of grief, responsibility, and deep loyalty to her family and the ranch that raised her. Now, she stands at a moment where choosing happiness could also mean choosing change. Accepting Nathan's proposal would mean more than marriage. It would mean stepping fully into a new chapter and allowing herself to believe in a future that once felt impossible. It would mean creating a new life not only for herself, but for Lindy as well. Nathan's plan to sell his ranch and purchase property on Salt Spring Island opens the door to a fresh beginning, one centered around rescue horses, new challenges, and a quieter pace of life. It's a vision filled with hope, but also with risk. That hope, however, comes at a cost. Leaving Heartland Ranch would mean walking away from a place that is deeply woven into Amy's identity. Heartland isn't just land, it's history, memory, and family legacy. It's where Amy learned who she was, where she healed, and where generations before her built something lasting. Season 20 is likely to explore this emotional conflict in depth, the pull between love and loyalty, between the desire for change and the fear of losing what defines you. Lindy's journey may become one of the most powerful storylines in the upcoming season. As a child who has already experienced loss and transition, Lindy's need for stability, trust, and belonging will matter deeply in Amy's decision. How Lindy adjusts to the possibility of a new home, a new environment, and a changing family dynamic could shape the emotional core of Season 20. The show has always emphasized the importance of family and emotional safety, and Lindy's perspective may highlight what is truly at stake. Amy's choice won't affect her alone. The ripple effects will be felt throughout the entire Heartland family. Jack, in particular, may struggle with the idea of Amy stepping away from the ranch that has been the heart of the family for generations. For Jack, Heartland represents continuity and values passed down through time. The thought of losing Amy's presence there could feel like losing a piece of that legacy. Lou, on the other hand, may find herself caught between two powerful instincts. On one side is her desire to support Amy's happiness and personal growth. On the other is her responsibility to protect the future of Heartland Ranch and everything it represents. Lou's inner conflict could bring tension, honesty, and emotional depth to the season, forcing her to confront what family support truly means when change feels inevitable. Season 20 appears poised to explore themes that Heartland has always handled with care: forgiveness, resilience, and the courage it takes to move forward when the path ahead is unclear. Change doesn't come easily in the world of Heartland, and the upcoming season may show that growth often requires letting go of certainty. Whether Amy chooses to stay rooted at the ranch or step into a new life with Nathan, the journey itself promises to be deeply emotional and meaningful. As the story unfolds, fans can expect heartfelt moments, difficult conversations, and character growth that feels earned. The unanswered questions left by Season 19 are not just plot devices, they reflect real emotions and real choices that resonate far beyond the screen. Season 20 holds the promise of answers, but also the possibility of transformation. So what do you think will happen next? Will Amy accept Nathan's proposal and begin a new life away from Heartland Ranch, or will she choose to stay connected to the place that shaped her? Can love, family, and the spirit of Heartland find balance in the face of change? As the next chapter approaches, one thing is certain: fans will be watching closely, waiting to see where Amy's heart ultimately leads her.